Hi all, myself Mohit, and today I will discuss one example for interface, abstract class and concrete class in Selenium. So we have interface, okay, abstract class and concrete class. So write a code using interface, abstract class, concrete class in Selenium. So how to write that? Real-time example in Selenium. Okay, so as you know that WebDriver is an interface, right? So we will take interface WebDriver. Okay, so we will take interface as a WebDriver. So I'm going to implement dummy implementation of the WebDriver. Inside this WebDriver, we have a method called get. Okay, we have a other method called refresh. Okay, we have a other method called close. So as you know that interface, inside this interface we will provide the operation. Operation means we have declared the abstract method. So if you are not writing public or abstract, then compiler by default added public and abstract. Means we are providing the operation inside this interface. So abstract class, inside this abstract method there is no declaration, there is no implementation, only declaration is there. Now I am going to take one class, okay, abstract class. Okay, so abstract class I'm going to take remote WebDriver. Okay, implements WebDriver. Okay, so as you know that the previous class, inside this abstract class we provide the common implementation, which is all common implementation of the next subclass. Okay, so I'm going to provide the common implementation of close implementation. So here public void close. Okay, so here I will provide the message, browser is closed. Okay, so what is the use of abstract class if you have a common implementation? So what is the common implementation? I'm going to provide the common implementation of close. So close means if the browser will launch, so browser application will launch, it must be closed. And so what happened, we have to provide all the driver in the common close implementation. So that is I have provided inside this abstract class. Okay, so now I'm going to create concrete class. So concrete class ChromeDriver extends remote WebDriver. So here what implementation we have to provide? We have to provide get implementation and refresh implementation. So now I'm going to provide get implementation public void get. So get implementation here. What the implementation is here? Here, Chrome browser will launch. Chrome browser will launch. Okay. Now we have to also provide refresh. Public. So I'm going to provide refresh. Refresh 1. So here we have to provide the implementation of refresh. So here Chrome browser is refreshed, right? So here we have provided two implementation. Got it, right? So just I have given the ChromeDriver, okay, then providing the two implementation. Now what I can do here, I'm going to take one more, okay, class, that is called class, okay, Firefox extends remote WebDriver. So I have to again provide the different implementation. Okay, so we have a public void get. So what implementation I have provided? I'm going to provide here Firefox browser will launch. Browser is launch. Okay, so now again I'm going to provide refresh, right? Okay, refresh. So here what happened? Firefox browser is refresh, right? So here we have to provide a two implementation. Then how to execute this code? So we will take one more class, that is called class test. Okay, here we have a main method, public static void main. Then we cannot create object of interface and abstract class. Got it, right? So what we have to do here, I'm going to take WebDriver, driver, right? So here driver equal to new Firefox driver, sorry, ChromeDriver, right? So now I'm going to access this method, driver dot get. Okay, then driver dot get refresh and driver dot close. If you will execute this, then what happen? You will get this output. I'm not creating this method. You can try in your side and execute this code on your system. Okay. So one more question is there. What is WebDriver driver equal to new Firefox? Okay. So one question is there. You know this question. WebDriver driver equal to new Firefox, new ChromeDriver, right? This is the one question in the interview. So same implementation I have provided here. So WebDriver is your super class and ChromeDriver is your subclass. So WebDriver is an interface and we have a implementation class of ChromeDriver and Firefox driver, Safari driver, IE driver. So multiple driver implementation is there for the WebDriver. If someone will ask what is the WebDriver driver equal to new Firefox or ChromeDriver, so your answer is WebDriver is an interface and we have a common implementation of the ChromeDriver. So when you are writing this, so this concept is called casting, and we are executing the multiple object class implementation class. So this concept is called polymorphism. Alright, so someone will ask what is the difference, what is the WebDriver driver equal to new Firefox? Just give me this common in this example, write this code and explain this. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.